my brave dinos doing today? Great! Alright, that's the way to start the day. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that 96.5% of water on Earth is in our oceans? And did you know that 0.001% is floating above us in the atmosphere? If all of that water fell like rain at once, the entire planet would get 1 inch of rain. We are learning how important the oceans are, and we need to take care of our planet and do our best to keep our oceans clean. I can count on you, because I believe in my dinos to make a change. Now on to our worksheets, Dino. We got this, you know why? Because we have each other. Are you ready? Now grab a favorite crayon and let's write our names. I'm choosing green. What color are you choosing? Oh, I like that color. Did you know how great you dinos are doing at writing your names? I'm so proud of all of you. Okay, now let's read the directions. Red eye, what do you see? I see a green iguana looking at me. Let's read it one more time. Red eye, what do you see? I see a green iguana looking at me. What color do we color the eye? It says red eye. Great job! Let's grab our red crayons and let's color the eye. Great job at coloring the eye. Now what do we color the iguana? Let's read. I see a green iguana looking at me. What color do we color the iguana? I see a green iguana. Good job. Let's grab our green crayons. I'm so amazed at you dinos joining me every week for a brand new episode. You guys are getting so good at coloring inside the lines. I'm so proud of my dinos. Wow, check out that green iguana. It's extraordinary, don't you think? Great job, dinos. Now for the fun fact. Iguanas have excellent eyesight. Did you dinos know that? That's why they could catch all those tiny bugs to eat. Now it's our favorite part. Let's color the background. I'm coloring an orange circle right now. What are you going to do with your background? Oh, that's such a great idea. I can't wait to see it. Now I'm coloring a red circle. The next one, I'm coloring a pink circle. And a violet circle. And now a blue circle. And finally a green circle. Now, to make all the circles pop out, I'm coloring the background yellow. While I'm coloring the background, do you dinos want to hear a joke? Okay. Knock knock. Who's there? Iguana.
Iguana who?
Iguana, hold your hand. Great job, dinos! You guys make me so proud. I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode. Bye, dinos!
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!